I'll be as a teacher.
And I'm Katrina Quevedo as a student.
Okay, class. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, you can please sit down. Okay, so do you remember what we have learned last week, right? I learned really here. I'm an international student, international teacher. That's right. So we have learned about quantitative calculus last week, and the topic is all about GDP and GMP, right? So all of you remember about what GDP is? Student guys? Discuss? Okay.
So, when we say GDP, it refers to the total values of goods and services that produced within the country's world.
Very good. You discuss? Thank you for that. How about the GDP? Oh, let's go. Okay, thank you. Perfecto número uno. So let's go. If all of you remember about the formula of GDP and GNP, yeah, so I will write it for them. So about the GDP itself, GDP is a gross domestic product. Very good, very well. And the formula itself is going to be like X minus M. C is the consumption. I is very good, very well. And the government, very good. And this one is X. Export. Everybody know, huh? So you listen on my teaching. And import. And how about the GNP, right? How about the GNP? Do you know? Gross national product. And the formula of it is all about GDP plus net income. Net income what? Rate. Net income. So with all of you, what of you already know what GDP and GNP is? I will do the instructional material in test is all of you learn what my So this is the country and all of the problem with the GDP and GNP in the each country. So for the first person that will explain with all the country itself, I will just run in this block. Okay? Going to the first Okay. The first student that will explain the problem of the GDP and GNP is Miss Kat. Yay! Go, Miss. Okay, explain that.
So, allow me to illustrate what the question given. So, in the country of Argentina, GNP of country Argentina has a GDP of $100 billion.
today class. Very good. You already get that? Me too. Very good, Miguel. Berarti kita, you listen to my teaching lessons. So for the next student that we will explain, the next country itself, it will be Miss Gee. Let's go. What the company is
Gross national product of country Bonaire. Bonaire's gross domestic product is $600 billion. It earns $80 billion from the citizens working abroad and pays $50 billion to foreign workers. So the question is, what is the GNP of the country?
okay. You may answer the question now. So you have space to write your answer there. Belum main teaching materi ya.
the revenue is 80 billion minus 50 billion dollars. So I get 30 billion dollars. So to get the ANC of Bonaire, which is $630 billion.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Kim, for the answer. Maybe our first question about that. And the third student that we ask on the next question will be that is Miss Maria. Go. Yeah, go. You may.
GDP of the small country Monaco. Country of Monaco produces $150 billion in goods, $100 billion in services, and $50 billion in infrastructure projects within its borders and boundaries. Question is, what is the GDP of Monaco?
Okay.
Ethics.
Wait. Okay. Explaining to the other.
So, the given in the country of Monaco is $150 billion in consumption, which is the product goods, and $100 billion investment, which is the product is services, and the government is spending in the infrastructure project is $50 billion. So, the formula is GDP plus consumption plus investment plus government. So, since the GDP is the sum of all goods and services within the country, I just add it up. So, $150 billion plus $100 billion plus $50 billion is equals to $300 billion.
Okay. Very well. Explain about that. So, for class is to jump into one course. It's Miss Caroline.
Let's say there is a region in the Philippines composed of 3 provinces. Province A, this province produces 50 billion worth of goods and services annually. Its economy is primarily driven by agriculture and local industries. Province B produces 100 billion annually, with contributions mainly from producing retail and small businesses. Province C produces 150 billion annually, supported by manufacturing, trade, and export industries. What is the GDP of the region? So 50 billion pesos plus 100 billion pesos and 1 billion pesos, the GDP is 300 billion pesos.
Okay, thank you, Mr.
Wow.
Independent nation.
Independent.
Okay, with all of the things that you have come, with the four countries, which is Argentina, and then Monaco and Philippines. So, what you learn, right? I mean, is it GDP, GNP is only number? No, it's not only number because with all the GDP and GNP that we have learned from it, we know that the country has a power in the economic